Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some more Russian toy soldiers, 60mm Japanese samurai. You can find these on Amazon and on eBay. I picked these up from the seller Art of Wars, Mikhail Sitinoff, on eBay. He has an eBay store and he's got some pretty cool stuff in there. And so far, all my Technovlog samurais have came from, or excuse me, all my Technovlog plastic soldiers have came from Mikhail. Comes in a set of 5. This individual, we'll start with him. I couldn't put him on our little display. He wouldn't stand upright. There was a lot of flash on the bottom of his feet. I cut some of it off with an X-Acto knife. It still needs a little more. But the sculpt itself is very good, nice detail. It's not hard plastic, it's soft plastic. He's good and thick. It wouldn't be much of an issue to just take a base, a war game base, or maybe even some pennies and glue them to his feet, or maybe cut deeper into the bottom there to help him stand up. Let's go to the next one. I like the samurai helmets. Those are very cool. Now, scale-wise, like I said, these silver ones over here are 60mm, whereas the Technovlog are a little bit bigger. So probably 132 and 130 scale on those, and we'll get to more of those in just a minute. Oops. And check out this pose. There's his body facing, and turns his torso to look behind him. Probably going to execute some cool samurai sword move. Next up, a black powder gunner. Has his katana on his back. He can fire his shot, and if necessary, throw that down and grab that katana out and go to hooking and jabbing. In his case, slashing. I imagine this to be the warlord, the daimyo. Maybe they're called daimyo. I'm not very familiar with the Sengoku Jidai setting of Japan's shogunate period. I think these are very cool models, and like I said, they come in a pack of 5 for $9, $8.95, and then of course tax. Mikhail offers free shipping on his models. Or on many of them anyway. At least on the Technovlog he does. Maybe that wasn't him. Who's this guy? Yeah, this guy won't stand. Alright, now let's get to these here. There's no maker. It's unbranded. I don't know if Mikhail Sitinoff designed these himself, or if he just produces them. I think these are very nice. There was a shipping charge for these, but not the Technovlog. And again, it's soft plastic, so they're good figures. They can take a fall. They have some very good detail. Now this guy, he's got quite a bit of flash to clean up on him. In there, along the side there, up here on the blade. Along his leg. I don't know if these are recast of an older set or some that Mikhail did himself. Do you like the Japanese feudal period with the samurai and shogun, the shogunate wars? Comment down below. Do you like these particular models? Comment down below. Even if you dislike them, just comment your thoughts. He has an arquebus. I like his helmet. Imagine a whole army of these guys with flags on their back. That'd be pretty cool. So, tell me your thoughts on these. If you can, leave me a simple like down below. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more plastic soldiers. I read each and every comment and I respond to those. Appreciate your time watching, and you have a good day. Thank you.